Hi there, I am Susan C. I am an author, a speaker, and a podcaster with the Mentor for Moms podcast. And I am coming to Dallas February 24th. I will be at C3 Trinity, and I would love to see you there. But listen, let's be honest. I'm a mom of 7, so I get that mom life. And on a Saturday morning, there's plenty of things to do. The family probably needs you. And frankly, you just might want to hang out in the bed. But I want to see you there because this is the time for us to gather as girlfriends to talk about the real things about motherhood, but to also be encouraged and equipped with some tools. I've spent time being certified as a life coach, and all of my training was with the hope that I would get the opportunity to come and encourage moms, to equip moms, so that together we can walk out this mom journey with such intention and purpose that we're able to transfer that to our children. So make time, get registered, come and join us on February 24th.